by your own, है ना. You will get the value of x and you will put the value of x in the place, you will get the side. Understand? So like this only you will do question number 8. Okay. Don't forget that the square which you have to open by using the formula of a plus b का whole square, है ना. Okay. Now see question number 9. ABC is an isosceles triangle, है ना, at C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. तो question number 9 we will see. This is a case of proof. ABC is an isosceles right triangle, है ना. ABC, so it is A, this is B and this C. Isosceles right triangle, ठीक है ना, and in which two sides will be equal. And what we have to prove? We have to prove AB square equals to 2AC square. So here these two sides are equal, है ना. So what we will write? Given, we will write given what? AC is equal to BC, है ना. AC will be equal to BC as in the question it is given isosceles right triangle, ठीक है ना. Now AC square, है ना, equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Okay. Sorry. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C it is written. Right angle at C. This is little bit, there is a change in the question. So see here what we have to do. Only what is the thing which I have not read is that it is right angle at C, na. So because of that what happens, na, we are just doing the correct thing. It is right angle at C. So this will be C, है ना, and this will be A and B, ठीक है ना. तो now these two sides will be equal. So given what? Given is AC is equals to BC, है ना. Now according to P theorem, Pythagoras theorem, what happened? AB square will be equals to AC square plus BC square, है ना. AB square will be equals to AC square plus BC square, and it is given that AC equals to BC. Why? Because it is isosceles right triangle. So in place of BC we can write AC. So AB square equals to AC square plus, in place of BC we can write AC. So AC square, है ना, AC is equals to BC, है ना. So now here what happened? AB square will be equals to 2AC square, which we have to prove. So here now we have proved this value. Okay, AB square equals to 2AC square, na. So like this we will do the rest of the questions of this exercise, है ना. Solve till question number 15 from this exercise, है ना. And if you have any problem you can ask me, है ना. You can ask me whenever you solve, you will surely come across with some of the problems, so you can ask me. And also please try to solve few examples of this exercise also, है ना. Examples are very important, है ना. First try to solve examples and then the exercises. Okay, and if you have any problem you can ask me, ठीक है ना. तो till question number 15 you have to do, है ना, in your fair copy. Okay, thank you, best of luck.